Hi students, you finished week 4 and we will start with week 5 this week. So only 2 more to go. There were again quite some things on the discussion forum going on, especially around the trickling filter homework question. There was confusing about the height of a trickling filter, and indeed we have some different values in the lecture notes and in the movie, and I'm really sorry about that. Well, these trickling filters can be designed in several ways. The real conventional trickling filters, they have a height of indeed as low as 1.5 meters, but they are hardly designed anymore. So the value that we normally use is this 2 to 2.5 meters, but they can also be much higher if you go to biotower systems, for example. So then you come more close to the 4 meter or even higher than that. Then we had another issue, which is the odor production of a trickling filter in a warm climate. Well, in the end you agreed that the temperature of the wastewater was not given, so you could not answer that question. I don't really agree with that, because if you need a 4 degrees difference before the aeration will start working. So if you have a tropical climate, then your wastewater has to be 32 degrees if the outside temperature is 28 degrees. Well, that is not really possible. Normally, even in tropical climates, the sewage doesn't get a lot warmer than 25 degrees. So there's always this temperature difference with cooler water and warmer air outside of the trickling filters. Well, with the material we offered, you can reason then what the airflow will be. Those were the 2 major issues for this week on a discussion forum. So now you learned this week in week 4 how to design a sewage treatment plant. I hope you enjoy to calculate all the tank diameters, tank volumes, recycle flows, settleability of the sludge, because this was actually the main design part that you got. This week, week 5, we will look to the nutrient removal, because last week you just learned about BOD removal, but of course nitrogen and phosphorus need to be converted as well, as you learned in the cycles earlier this course. I hope you enjoy this nitrogen and P removal, and this week we will also show some movies about the new system which is called aerobic granular sludge, or the Nereda treatment, which is brand new and applied now in several sewage treatment plants around the world. We have 5 now being built in the Netherlands, but there are also upcoming Nereda plants in Portugal, South Africa, England, Ireland, Brazil. So slowly they're taking over the conventional activated sludge systems, and from the movies you can see that I will be pleased with that. Okay, enjoy this week and see you next week again.